Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Luis made a request in the comments for Southern Company. Thank you, Luis, for the suggestion. Let's take a look. Southern Company is a Fortune 500 company within the electric utilities industry. The stock price has underperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, even with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 3%. Earnings growth, minus 2.60%. Earnings estimates, 6.47%. Return on capital, 5.56%. Debt to free cash flow, minus 23.58 years. Share buybacks, no. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 3.88%. Payout ratio, 76.83%. Growth rate, 3.34%. Growth years, 20 years. That gives Southern Company 2 out of 10 points. Ouch, that's a terrible score. You might want to reevaluate Southern Company as a position for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Southern Company is fairly valued. What's your thoughts on Southern Company in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to leave a stock request in the comments below. Please consider subscribing and come back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.